Hello everybody, in today's video, I'm going to be showing you probably... Okay, hold on. I'm going to go to the mirror. Welcome everybody, today's video, I'm going to be showing you probably one of the easiest research point grinds besides Planetarium or any mining thing. It does require mining, but it also requires arena. And this is free, and you don't need no skill, you just kind of need to know how to play the game a little bit. And free money or research points, and you could get a couple company coins while doing this. If you go to a private lobby, could be with a friend, could be without, doesn't matter really. Mainly with just you. You go on the red team, right? Because it's easier. You start game, right? Certainly does. Shotguns for more range, and then we just go over here and start mining these. And I chose red team because they have higher crystals than blue team, so it's just easier for red team to win usually, but blue team still wins a lot. But that's besides the point. But basically, this is one of the easiest research point grinds, and to max out your research points for the day. I'm just doing 3 hits on each one of them because it takes 4 hits, and I'm just curious what it would be like. Okay, let's go. Wait. Use shotguns for extra range. As you see, I'm not getting research points, probably because, probably because I'm maxed out my research points for today. Also, despite many people's belief, there is actually a cap to company coins. It is very high, but there is actually a cap, and I actually reached it once. But yeah, see that those actually give you research points. And although I did just do that like 2 seconds ago, and I got 1 extra, which is pretty goated, but still, that is besides the point. That is probably the easiest research point grind in 2025. Maybe even easiest company coin grind, possibly. Actually, no. Easiest is just going in mines and mining gold. But if you can't do that, and you're too smooth-brained to know what the heck that means, don't mind my ringtone. Okay. I will. Just give me a sec. I'm making a video. Animal Company. Why can't it be Animal Company? Just because you don't have a VR doesn't mean it's good. Where is my phone? Oh. Anyways, 1 sec. Okay. My bad for the interruption, but that is the easiest way in 2025 to probably get research points and maybe company coins if you're too smooth-brained to understand how to go mine gold. So, I will see you guys in the next video. Peace. Skadoosh.